Could one policy save your pet and your savings? Imagine your dog chasing a ball, then suddenly limping. A trip to the vet reveals a torn ligament. The surgery cost is shocking, and you feel swept up in worry and choice. This is where pet insurance steps in, quietly doing the math so you don't have to. In this short documentary, we'll explore why pet insurance can save you thousands, how it works, and when it truly pays off. First, a straightforward fact. Pets are living longer, and advanced treatments cost more. Orthopedic surgeries, cancer therapies, and emergency care are expensive now. Too many families discover this during a crisis, when decisions must be fast and emotions high. But there is a different path: planning. Pet insurance offers predictable costs, so unexpected bills don't become financial emergencies. How does pet insurance work? At its simplest, you pay a monthly premium, and when your pet needs eligible care, the insurer reimburses part of the bill. Policies vary. Some cover accidents only, others include illnesses, and some add wellness care for routine checkups and vaccines. Deductibles, reimbursement rates, and annual limits shape what you actually get back. The key is matching a plan to your pet's risk and your budget.
Behavior matters. Active dogs that love trails may face more injury risk. Curious cats who explore outdoors might face accidents or fights. Breed matters too. Large breeds often have joint issues, while certain purebreds face genetic conditions. Understanding your pet's lifestyle helps you choose coverage that makes sense. If your pet is older or has pre-existing conditions, options change, so enrolling early is often wise. Here's a surprising insight. Insurance can also influence decisions at the clinic. Owners with coverage are more likely to authorize recommended tests and treatments because financial fear is reduced. That means better outcomes for pets, and sometimes lower long-term costs when problems are caught and treated early. Prevention and early care can be a quiet saving strategy. Let's look at numbers. A torn cruciate ligament surgery can range from a couple thousand to $5,000. Cancer treatments can total tens of thousands. Even routine emergencies often cost hundreds to thousands. A comprehensive policy with a reasonable deductible and decent reimbursement can cover a large share, especially for major events. Over years, these reimbursements add up and can outpace cumulative premiums, particularly if a major illness occurs. But insurance isn't magic. There are exclusions, waiting periods, and rules for pre-existing conditions. Read the fine print. Some policies limit coverage for hereditary conditions or have per-incident caps. A lower premium often means higher out-of-pocket costs later. Think of insurance as a risk management tool. It smooths spikes in expenses, not a free pass to unlimited care. Choosing the right plan takes a few steps. First, list likely risks based on breed, age, and behavior. Second, compare deductibles and reimbursement levels. Third, check waiting periods and exclusions for common issues. Fourth, read customer reviews and look for a responsive claims process. A few extra minutes researching can be the difference between a helpful payout and a surprise denial. There's also a human story here. Meet families who faced tough choices and found relief with insurance. One couple adopted a rescue pup with a congenital issue. A policy helped cover corrective surgery that saved the dog's mobility. Another owner faced sudden kidney disease in a senior cat and used their plan to afford life-extending care. These stories show how insurance helps pets get the care they need without wrecking a family's finances. Cost matters. Many plans start inexpensive, similar to a streaming subscription, while more comprehensive policies cost more. Consider your comfort with risk. If an unexpected multi-thousand-dollar bill would be devastating, paying a moderate premium is likely worth it. If you have savings set aside specifically for pet care, you might choose a higher deductible plan. Either way, clarity helps. Know your budget and pick a plan that feels sustainable. Another insight: wellness add-ons for vaccines and dental care can keep pets healthier and reduce emergency risks. Routine care rarely breaks the bank, but preventive attention can catch small problems before they become big bills. Some owners prefer standalone wellness plans. Others bundle them with accident and illness coverage. Evaluate whether a bundled approach meets your pet's needs. Timing is important. Enroll when your pet is young and healthy for the broadest coverage.
Waiting until after a diagnosis usually means that condition is excluded as pre-existing.
If you adopt a senior animal, compare short waiting times and coverage limits carefully. For multi-pet households, ask insurers about discounts. Many companies offer savings for insuring more than one pet. Claims processes differ. The smoothest companies have user-friendly apps, clear reimbursement timelines, and helpful customer service. Keep detailed records, photos, vet bills, and treatment notes help speed claims. Understand whether your insurer pays the clinic directly or reimburses you after you pay. That affects cash flow during emergencies. A final surprising point: pet insurance can influence how much owners research care options. Knowing you have coverage makes you more likely to seek specialist consultations or advanced diagnostics, which often improve outcomes. It reduces the trade-off between what your pet needs and what you can afford in a stressful moment. So when does pet insurance save you thousands? Often during major events, surgeries, chronic disease management, and cancer care. It also prevents the small emergencies from accumulating into an overwhelming burden. Insurance provides peace of mind, smoother decisions, and a safety net when the unexpected happens. In conclusion, pet insurance is a practical tool for animal lovers who want to protect both their pets and their finances. It's not for everyone, but for many households it offers real savings and better care choices. Think of it as preparing today so your pet gets the best care tomorrow. Could one policy save your pet and your savings? The answer often is yes, if you choose thoughtfully. Learn the details, compare plans, and consider your pet's needs. Protecting a furry family member can be both an act of love and smart financial planning. Learn more, compare plans today, and protect your pet with confidence.